Hello, everyone. So, in this episode, well, let's start over. All right. So, first thing first is to go to your Google Cloud platform. Go ahead and sign up for an account. I will have a link to in the description below of where you can do that. You will be able to get some free credits, and then what we're going to do is we're actually going to go down on the left-hand side to our artificial intelligence area. So they have a whole lot of different AI options. In this course, we're going to be going over vision. This course is focused on the vision, which will be images. I can make one later for video intelligence, tables, natural language, etc. So go to the dashboard. This is your machine learning dashboard, your AutoML dashboard. This gives you access to the Vision API, which is down here, and the Vision product search over here. We're going to be using AutoML Vision and deploying our own custom model. So we're going to go ahead here and click Get Started. Okay, great. So what we're going to do now is go ahead up here and click New Dataset. And in the new dataset, let's name this one, this will be our license plate finder. And we're not going to do single label classification, we're going to do object detection. So go ahead and create that data set. Go ahead and create it. It's going to ask us to go ahead and upload images. First thing first, I have already created a small file. Browse. So this, when you do this, you'll have a few different projects coming up here. The first thing you'll want to do is potentially create a new bucket or add it to a bucket of your choice. This bucket must be in the central area, otherwise it won't work. So we'll go there, detect plates, drop in the images. Blam! Easy peasy. You'll see it goes 35 images. You can upload up to 500 images at a time, even a little bit more. And Google will just go ahead and take care of it. So typically that's what I end up doing. Upload 500 images, walk away for a couple minutes, and as you click on the images, we'll see running importing images. So now we just have to wait until the importing is done. You'll go ahead and get an email saying that it's all done.